When sizing a breaker for an air handling unit without a compressor motor, it is correct to calculate the full load amperage using the horsepower rating and motor efficiency. You can then calculate the breaker size as the full load amperage multiplied by 2.5 as per National Electrical Code Section 430.52 for inverse time circuit breakers. For an air conditioner with a compressor motor, your method is generally correct, but consider the compressor type. For reciprocating compressors, use the full load amperage times 1.75 for the largest motor. For scroll or rotary compressors, use the full load amperage times 1.5 for the largest motor. Add the remaining motor full load amperages to get the total breaker size. Refer to National Electrical Code Section 440.22 for more details. When sizing the breaker for an air handling unit that also has electric heat, consider both the fan motor and electric heat loads. 1. Calculate the full load amperage for the fan motor as described before. 2. Calculate the full load amperage for the electric heat elements using the element wattage and voltage. 3. Add the full load amperage for the fan motor and electric heat elements together. 4. Calculate the breaker size as the sum of the full load amperages multiplied by 2.5 for inverse time circuit breakers. For air handling units with a large electric heat load, it may be necessary to use a higher rated breaker than the calculated value. Consider consulting with an electrician or equipment manufacturer for guidance in such cases.